Hey everyone, I'm Dustin Burleson and I'm the Manufacturing Technology Instructor here at North Arkansas College. And I'd like to take a moment of your time to talk to you about the manufacturing program and some of the career opportunities that await you as a graduate from here. Guys, manufacturing is crying out right now for skilled laborers. We have everything that you need to teach you the foundation of manufacturing, from the design concepts to the manufacturing of those products, guys. And the program that we have here to offer is a 1 year program for a manufacturing certificate, and then we can extend that into a second year, 2 year associate degree, to where you have your manufacturing your first year, and your second year it goes into an automation, robotics and automation add-on to that manufacturing. So to start, it starts out with CAD classes to where you learn how to design and 3D model things, and such things like 3D printing are going to be involved in that, because we have to prove concepts out, and we want to do prototyping through CAD and 3D additive manufacturing processes. And we have CNC programming, CNC setup, CNC operation. Those basic foundational practices will be taught in that first semester as well, and all the basic machining principles, milling and turning and such. It goes into the second semester of that certificate, and it's more advanced manual machining, milling, turning, lathes, saws, and such like that, to where you're building a project that will be a large assembly project, maybe like an engine or of some sort, and that'll be your project that whole semester. And then the advancement in the CNC areas goes from just programming and setup. It goes to where you're sitting at a computer doing 3D models and designs, and you're programming that with a CAM software that generates the G code to run the CNC machine, so you can do advanced machining, 3D machining, 4-axis and 5-axis machining. And that's the way industry is set up. Also, in them 2 semesters, you'll get a quality control class to learn how to read blueprints and measure things with the type of instruments that we use in the manufacturing industry. And then that goes into that second semester, to where you're running a CMM machine and learning how to program using the softwares to do to verify and validate that the parts that you're manufacturing are validated and verified to that blueprint and are good to go out the door. So everything that from the ground up in manufacturing, from the design end of it to the manufacturing of the good to the quality side of it, is taught in that 1 year. And guys, jobs are awaiting you as tool and die makers, as CNC programmers, CNC setup technicians, CNC operators, designers. It's not just one job that comes out of this. Machinists. There's several avenues that you can go from this program, and it's my job to emphasize what you're the best at. That's what I want to do. I want to bring out what you're the best at and place you into industry where they're begging for someone like you out there. And like I said, the program then has the option, if you want, to go in that second year into that associate degree in automation and robotics. And that's some of the more advanced manufacturing that's out there. Is it's not only machining and manufacturing parts, or working as a quality inspector or whatever that may be, or an engineer or designer, but also, how do we handle that product? How are we moving that product around the manufacturing floor, and through robotics and automation and such. That is where industry's at, guys. These jobs, they're not just something that you just come out of high school with the skill set to do. You need technical training, and that's what we're here for. We're here to place you in a great career, one that I graduated from North Arkansas College in the year 2000, and I spent 16 years in the trade of tool and die making, and so much of everything that I learned was used in those 16 years, and I've never regretted it a day in my life yet. And now have the opportunity to try to teach you everything that I can teach you, everything that I know, to get you out and get you in a career that I have students that are in their first year of my program, and we have great internship programs, and some of them get an internship with a manufacturing company locally around here. While they're going to school, they get more hands-on training while they're learning and get paid for it. But also, I've had students that are in the middle of the program and they land their first job and they're making 17, 18, $19 an hour and they're not even finished with the program yet. That doesn't happen to everyone, but it just kind of speaks of the value of what a manufacturing companies are putting on a student with the skill. And so you can expect pay in places like this anywhere from 16, 18 an hour up to $30 an hour, just depending on where you're willing to go and what kind of company it is and what kind of manufacturing they're doing. But these opportunities are awaiting you, and we are so excited to see you come on board with us here at Northark. I can't wait. I sure look forward to seeing you. Now get registered at Northark, and remember, manufacturing technology, guys. It's fun. Every day is exciting. Every day we're making something new. Every day we're growing in an opportunity to go and land a career of a lifetime. And I look forward to seeing you. Thanks.